Yo, I can't sing, but I feel like singing, cause I'm happy. I got my baby back.
I shot for the sky, I'm stuck on the ground. So why do I try? I know I'm gonna fall down. I thought I could fly, so why did I drown? Never know why it's coming down, down.
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, loud. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. That is he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter. He's cold. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows, and he goes back to this mobile home. That's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go back to this moment. Now here we go.
I shot for the sky, I'm stuck on the ground. So why do I